Hi everyone, this is Cheryl Kuchak with Sublimation for Beginners and Beyond Group. I wanted to do this video about cleaning the belt. This is my SG400, and yesterday we were doing a live video, and I had prepared a print so that I could make a pillow. And what happened was these lines, you might want to zoom in there so we can see, but those lines, and so, you know, we were on with David Gross with Condi, and so I said, David, what happened? Because when you look at it, you can't tell from this paper until you get a little bit closer, then you can barely see. So he said, it sounds like your belt needs to get cleaned, that apparently I used a smaller paper than what I was telling the printer, and so it literally got ink on the belt. And so I'm gonna show you today how to clean. So I went to the Condi site, Condi TV, and I'm gonna do what they suggested. So I have denatured alcohol, I have lint-free swabs, and then I also have a lint-free rag. So let's get to work. The first thing that they said was that we need to take off the back panel. My nails are getting in the way, but okay. And to take these two rollers and roll them. Okay, so that's, that's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but hey. Okay, and then the belt, if you will see in here, the belt that we're gonna be cleaning is in here. So these, you want to be careful with these, and you absolutely want to make sure that it's unplugged. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to open this up. I guess I need a screwdriver or something to open it. So let's see. Let's see if I have something that can open this up. Okay, I got it open. All right. Now I'm going to start to clean it. All right, and we're going to be careful to make sure that we don't. Okay. Well, I guess there was some stuff on there. So, all right. And now I'm going to roll this. And, okay, so I have another section. And once I get the whole section, oh, this one's pretty clear. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do another section. I'm going to add a little more of the denatured alcohol as it is evaporating rather quickly. Yes, getting more. Okay. You are going to want to do this in a well-ventilated area because this is pretty strong. Okay, and you're going to want to do it until You see that it's completely clean. I'll try another side of it to make sure. Looks like I'm back at the beginning. Okay. And I'm actually going to do it one more time just to make sure that I got everything. It doesn't hurt and then I'm still getting stuff, so I want to just keep cleaning until I don't get anything. Okay, I think that's about it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to now do a nozzle check on it to make sure that everything is clean. And then I will present to you again. Anyway, so thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to private message me or contact me on in the group Sublimation for Beginners and Beyond, and you can see how easy it is. Thank you till the next video. Take care.